It is actually in my hand right now. It's been almost a year of keeping the secret from you guys, and it is finally here. Ain't it beautiful? So about 8 months or so ago, Pixi reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to create a product with them, and my immediate reaction was, duh! I love Pixi because they have a huge range of products. They're cruelty-free. So I was really excited about this collaboration. And when we first started, we were kind of brainstorming like, what kind of product do you want to create? And at first I was thinking a lip kit. But then to think of it a little more, I was like, actually, I want to do an eyeshadow palette. This is my Let's Talk Eyes eyeshadow palette. Today marks the day that Pixi and I had a baby. Yes, and it weighs 0.08 ounces. Here is the kit. It's so pretty. I love the packaging. It also comes with a dual eyeliner. So it has a liquid eyeliner on one end and then a pencil on the other. So you can tight line, you can do your wing, you can do everything, okay? You guys know I love my warm, pinky, shimmery, and matte shades. So I wanted you guys to look at this palette and be like, this is so Weylie. This palette right here has 6 shades in it. These 6 shades I feel like really represents me, and also the names that I named each shade just really represents our relationship, our sisterhood. We got Itty Bitty, because you know we part of the crew. We got Girl, because when you swatch this shade right here, you'll be like, girl. We got Potato. You guys know my love for potato, and that is the perfect shade of potato. This one is Sister. We got Bomb right here, because when you use this to smoke out your eyeliner, you're gonna be like, this looks bomb. And lastly, this one is Beautis. It was so much fun getting to create this and working with Pixi. I got to pick out each individual eyeshadow down to the color, to the formula, and I absolutely love every shade in here and the formula. Nothing is chalky, everything is smooth, it's buttery, and very pigmented. So I really hope that you guys love this palette. You can find it at your local drugstore. I will list all the stores right here that you can find it from. So yeah, please check it out. I'm just really happy that today our baby is born, and I hope you guys pick one up. And if you do, please tag me in your photos. I want to see how you work in these shadows and this eyeliner. And before we get started, I just want to say a huge thank you to Pixi. I just want to thank you guys so much. I absolutely loved this collaboration. It was so much fun. And of course, thank you so much to all of my sisters and my brothers. Without you guys, I would not get opportunities like this. So thank you guys so much. Okay, too much talking. So let's get started.
First up, I'm going to take the shade Girl and apply this all over my lids with my finger. Next up, I'm using a small eyeshadow brush and I'm using the shade Sister and placing this all over my lids. Now I'm taking the shade Beautis, which is a pretty dark kind of reddish color, and I'm using a pencil brush to apply this to the lower part of my eye. It's kind of acting like eyeliner. I'm just smoking out the look a bit. Next up, I'm taking the shade Bomb, which is the darkest shade in this eyeshadow palette. I love the shade because you can use it as eyeliner or you can just smoke out any eyeshadow look. I'm using it very lightly here because I want this look to feel fresh and not too overdone or smoky, so just a little bit is enough. As for my bottom lash line, I'm using the shade Potato, which is a warm brown. This is also a great shade for just transitioning your eyeshadows. I'm using Potato because I don't want to use red on my bottom waterline because sometimes that can make my eyes appear a little tired and puffy. So I'm just using a little bit of Potato on the outer corner. And lastly, to give the look a pop, I'm using Itty Bitty in my inner corners. Time for tight lining. So I'm using the eyeliner. It's dual ended, so you can use the liquid side if you want to do a wing look, but I'm skipping that today and just doing the tight line. This eyeliner is so dark and pigmented. You guys will seriously fall in love.
And there you have it, my first ever makeup look with my baby with Pixi. You guys will definitely be seeing me use this palette more and more throughout this year, so be on the lookout. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, Pixi. I love you all, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.